So this is the New Forest in Everton. When I was a kid, it never was like this. We used to come all the way down here on our go-karts, homemade, prams, wheels and all that. Look at it now. It's just being left. Such a shame. It's just like a dumping ground now, isn't it? The state of it. Such a shame, you know, because it never used to be like this. And there, I'm going to show you something now. So there used to be a street called Jason Walk up here. So they had a boss, little chippy here. Little housing estate here. He used to come all the way up here. Jason Walk was just over there. That was Jason Walk. And as you can see, it's a dumping ground. It's such a shame, you know. But there used to be like houses, flats, and yeah, the chippy used to be here as well. Boss little chippy it was. And also, as we were on Netherfield Road, we used to fight Jason Walk, all the kids in Jason Walk up here on the field at the back of Everton Sports Centre. Such a shame. Such a lovely area. Well, it was then. It's not now, like, is it? 2020. What's the point of having a bench? Would you sit here? Nah. Look at this. You want some logs for the winter? Come down here. Such a shame. It's just been left, hasn't it? There are flats up here. I can't remember the names, but yeah. And up there, that was the, was it this one? No. Look at that, up there, look. Turn the bike around, look at this.